At SafetyQuip, we're often asked for respirators for spraying activities. That might be spraying herbicides or pesticides, it might be spraying paint, it might be fiberglassing. Now these two respirators here are two of the most popular in the SafetyQuip range. They're both made by 3M. This one is the 3M 6251 spraying respirator kit, and this one is the 3M 7551 spraying respirator kit. Now they both use the same filter in each kit, so it's identical. It's what we call an A1P2 respirator filter. So that'll deal with various gases and vapours, and it'll provide a level of protection for particulates as well. It's a P2 filter. Now the difference in the kits is the respirator itself. Now this one here, this is the 6000 series respirator, so the grey respirator. That's the standard respirator. This one here is the 7500 respirator. That's the blue part of it that I'm touching there. That's made of silicone. So silicone is very soft against the skin. It's very comfortable if you need to wear that respirator for extended periods of time. The other advantage that I see with the 7500 respirator is the direction of the exhaled air from the respirator. So air that comes out of the body and exhales through the respirator is tending to be humid. And by way of pushing it down rather than straight out as with this one, that's less likely to fog up eye protection like glasses or goggles. It's a nifty cool flow valve. Speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information on spraying respirator kits.